Hello guys! Now is the moment. At last, nakasakay na rin kami ng, ang tawag dito ba?
Angola.
Angola. The real one in Venice Canal. See? And Venice Canal guys. Sorry. Oh, it's so tall. What is that? Ah.
Padagdalasin mo eyeglass.
Oh, glass? So what?
Tingko dito.
Hindi na siya matikpang mas. Kasi matikpang. Ano naman eh? Ano naman eh?
Eyeglass din. Philippines. We have Venice in the Philippines.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Man-made.
It's a man-made Venice.
So that's the main bridge. Hindi na nakadapit na. See? That's the main bridge in the canal. Venice, Venetia. Nagid na ka kanina?
Wala.
Ba't ito sa katapangan isa? Pwede mo sa kudahan naman ito nga. Venetia. Video. Hello guys, video again guys. Meron kaming ganito dahil sa Merong ganito di sa Manila guys, pero hindi siya sumakay guys dahil gusto niya talagang dito talaga sa Venice.
Ikaw eh.
Kasi fake daw din guys. Kaya gusto niya dito talaga. See? Dream come true. Dream come true. Wala silang road dito. Di ba walang road no? So, yeah, ang way of the transportation is through this water, you know, this canal. Why is that? Fire truck?
Oh, fire truck.
So this is so this is the way to go somewhere else, you know. They have to rent, they have to pay for a boat or a water taxi.
Their means of transportation.
Yeah, there's no roads, only water canals, big canals and small canals. If you want to go to your hotels, yeah, it will pass to small canals. It's lovely. I do. Is the water? Is the salty water, mas no? Huh? What is that? Now we're entering the small canals. Small canals going to, I don't know.